What up, though? Jacob Letman here, Rideshare Hub 2019. Kicking off a new video for you guys in LA. This is everything LA right here, right now. But before we get going, there's a couple of things I want to do for you. If you haven't started driving for Uber or Lyft yet, now is your chance. All you got to do is go down into the video description below. You're going to find links there for both Uber and Lyft. You click on those, you can get sign-on bonuses to start driving, right? Exactly. So if you don't sign up with a sign-on bonus, essentially it's like taking a wad of cash out of your pocket and throwing it in a river and waving goodbye to it, even though you threw it there in the first place. Don't be that person. Save that cash. Buy yourself some nice Christmas gifts. Or for other people, that's fine too. So use those sign-up codes. Also, I'm going to save everybody some money on their gasoline. There is also a link in our video description to the GetUpside app. You're going to click on that, download it, get signed up using our code, and you will save money on your gasoline fill-ups, including 15 cents off per gallon on your initial fill-up. So do that. You might as well, right? You got to drive around and spend money on gas. You might as well get money back for doing that. Awesome. Final thing before we get going with this video is a big shout out to our 20,000 subscribers here on the Rideshare Hub. You guys are the bee's knees. We think you're cool. Please keep staying here. Hang out here. If you're new to the Rideshare Hub, feel free to subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on all of our new and exciting videos that come out. They are everything rideshare. That's what they are. That's what it is. That's what we do here. Yeah. Okay, so on that note, I'm going to talk about driving in LA and some tips and tricks and things to look out for. First tip and trick is to sign up for both Uber and Lyft using those sign-up codes, because if you plan on spending a good amount of time driving for rideshare, you might as well be signed up for both so you can double your chances of getting rides, right? Good. Okay. Also, here's a good one. Be wary of using Waze in LA, and here's why. Although Waze can save you money, it won't save you money, actually. It will save you time sometimes. However, this is what to look out for, especially if you don't know all of the LA area in its entirety yet, which there's a lot to learn about it. Waze will try to save you time by taking you down alleyways and having you make like left-hand turns in places that you should never attempt or even think about attempting to make a left-hand turn. It can be dangerous a lot of times, and then you end up getting stuck because it's like, well, shoot, I have to make this left-hand turn. So anyway, just be wary of Waze. Let's see, what else? Okay, let's talk about LAX. So, a lot of Sunday nights, Monday nights, I am sitting on, looking for, what am I saying? Words, Jacob. Here we go. Let me try again. Thank you. I will look for scheduled pickups, a lot of Sunday nights, Monday nights, looking for people who are commuting to the airport. And that is because it's a great way to start your day. You got a lot of business people, especially Monday mornings, that are headed to the airport to fly out. And if you can get a scheduled pickup to take you to the airport, when you drop them off, a lot of times you will get rematched and you'll get dinged right away for a pickup at LAX. So it's a great way, you know, kind of bing, bang, boom, get a couple of rides really quick, make some good money to get your day started. Now, they've just changed this at LAX. Pickups will no longer be allowed outside of the terminals, right? So you have to go to the LA exit, which is the rideshare waiting lot for rides. Sucks for passengers because they have to either take the shuttle there, or I read a quote from some airport official. Well, they can walk there. It's typically only an 18-minute walk. Who wants to walk 18 minutes with their luggage? It's ridiculous. So it's not a good system. I think they know it. They're in the middle of that huge construction makeover in LAX. Crazy place to drive, but Anyway, just know, if you are picking someone up from LAX, you now have to go to the LA exit lot outside Terminal 1. Okay, cool. Here's another tip. Look, it's really important to drive during prime times so that you can, a lot of times you'll get surges. It's so you can stay busy as well. But I would also say, gosh, I hate driving during rush hour. And for those of you driving in LA, you know rush hour is a beast. It is a beast of a city with a beast of a rush hour, morning and evening. And me personally, I hate sitting in rush hour traffic driving. Here's why. Because if you ever get stuck with a passenger that smells bad, talks a lot, or you just don't like them, you're stuck with them for a long time. And we make more money on mileage than we do on time, which means if you have a 5-mile ride, sometimes it can take you a half hour in LA traffic. And, I just don't like it. So me personally, here's what I recommend. Get up early, start early on the weekdays, get as many rides done, before rush hour really sets in. For some reason, morning rush hour doesn't bother me as much as night does. So anyway, then I would say drive in the evenings, start around, if you can stomach it, start around 6 and drive until your heart's desire in the evening. If you really want to maximize and make the most money, be efficient driver, drive Thursday, Friday, Saturday nights, all over LA, Santa Monica, West Hollywood, West Valley, Beverly Hills. Yeah, that's when you can make some serious cash. You get a lot of surge pricing, you get a lot of people out, you get tips. That's the time to do it. All right, what else do I got for you guys? As we know, LA, tons of events going on all the time. Concerts, Lakers, Clippers, Dodgers. What else is going on? Oh, Chargers, Rams. Although driving around USC, holy moly, that is crazy around game day. Personally, no way. I'm not doing that ever again. Did it before. Yeah, so... Oh, that's what I was getting at. A lot of concerts. So there's always stuff going on in the LA area. Just check it out. Find out what's going on. You can work those events. Make solid money. Let's see. What else? Oh, yeah. If you don't already know this, driving in LA, you can end up getting pulled all over the place. Malibu, Long Beach, Orange County, people flying out of John Wayne Airport, Big Bear. So if that happens to you, great, because you're going to make solid money on those mileage rides. But then use the destination mode filter to head back to your area. Cool. Okay. That's all good stuff. I'm trying to think if I got anything else for you. I like it. I like those things. Not super detailed, right? But that's a good overview of starting to drive in LA. We have more videos with tips and tricks on driving in LA. Really, I wanted to get at you guys, let you know that we have sign-up codes for you to get started driving. Uber, Lyft, save money on gasoline, the GetUpside app, all that stuff in the video description below. If you have been driving in LA for a while and you have some tips and tricks, make sure to jump down in the comment section below. Get at us. Let us know your thoughts on driving, how long you've driven in LA, all that good stuff. Love to hear from you guys. Other than that, I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Again, big thank you to our 20,000 subscribers. You guys rock. Until next time, drive safe out there, everybody.